another trip. Join us for Dave's Canoeing Adventures. And Lee!
Yeah! Let's do this.
Here we are at Wahwashkesh Lake, starting our trip for this season. You guys excited to get on the water?
Heck yeah! Beautiful day. Gorgeous. Beautiful weather.
How about you, Todd? You excited?
We're getting there.
Some people ask, why do you enjoy canoe tripping so much? It really boils down to the unknown. Yeah, we can pick a destination and plan for meals, but the true planning of the trip really kind of ends there. You can have extreme weather, or gear failure, or wild animal encounters. It's this unknown that drives us to explore more. There's something really amazing when you have to rely on your skills and experiences when things get tough. There's no easy way out, only through.
Right up there. Yeah, see it.
Our first lake is Wahwashkesh Lake. This is located in the Parry Sound District. It's the largest lake for the area, clocking in at 1,721 hectares and 106 kilometers of shoreline. This lake is a part of the Magnetawan River system. Spring flooding can be quite significant.
Okay. What attachment? So I need someone to give me a hand. I'll go in the back if someone wants to go in the front, and we can go up the hill. To the seat pretty...
That's going in, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that's awesome. Chris?
Yes.
You having fun, buddy?
Oh yeah.
So we've only just been on the water for maybe 2 hours, 3, and couldn't ask for better weather. It's been amazing.
Okay.
Sun is out. A little bit of clouds coming in.
Davey, I think the rest of this
Probably a solid 30 degrees.
It feels very...
Hold on, let me tell you.
Here you go, the thermometer. He's got a thermometer.
That's probably really warm because it's been in my pocket, but it says 45.
45 degrees Celsius?
We're going to let that air out.
Yeah, we're not quite there yet.
In a black life jacket in the sun.
Yeah, I think maybe you run the risk of dehydration, Todd.
Really steep portage.
This is the first portage, and it's pretty easy. It's only a couple 100 meters. Goes from Wahwashkesh Lake to Mud Lake, which is a beautiful lake. It has a bit of a beaver dam right where portage ends, and opens up to a beautiful vista across the lake. Got to make sure if you're coming from the other direction, you don't get turned around. There's a few roads crisscrossing up there. And watch your footing. Highly important on portages. This one's pretty muddy too. And there's some boards with nails in them. So when you're portaging, those are kind of the things you want to make sure that you're watching for, because a nail in the foot will put a pretty quick end to the trip. Beautiful little waterfall to my left. Part of the nice thing about not rushing through portages too is you get to see these things. Stop and enjoy it. Maybe have some lunch. That's always nice too. Everybody likes a good lunch.
You're good here, man. Another 500 meters. You're good.
Not regretting them.
No?
No, not in that mud.
We anticipated the bugs to be really bad. So far, not too bad. Put some bug spray on at the beginning. It's helped quite a bit. Who'd have thought we'd be sweating in May? This little lake is Mud Lake, but the name couldn't be farther from the truth. I may have only paddled her waters twice, but I have been amazed both times. It's truly a paradise. Let's get up beside Lee. Well, that's easy. We don't have to worry about that second portage now. Sometimes, folks, it's good because you get to skip a portage. What's that?
High water and we're happy.
Yeah.
Send it back in, please.
It's just the odd shallow spot, eh?
Yeah, it pops up. I think that used to be a dam. I don't know if you guys see any turtles or anything.
Okay.
See a pile of sticks.
That pile of sticks is a beaver's home.
Aw.
So I don't even know where the portage would have been through here, Lee. But it is a 100-meter portage, so must maybe along that shoreline.
There, yeah.
What do you say?
There's a table there for us.
Nice.
What are the dimensions of the table? 2x2? Is there anything 4x2?
Are you talking straight that way? Where that clearing is? Like there's that clearing right there.
There's a flat spot there, there's those rocks, the rock base there, and then just at the point of that.
You guys, what do you think of this one, Pat?
Not bad. That definitely will do. But
This is where we stayed 8 years ago.
you really want to stick to it, don't you?
I know I don't have to stay here, but it's really cool to reminisce. So do you guys just want to jet across and check that one out? Is there a spot for our tent up here, Pat?
Oh yeah.
Like a big spot? How about you guys check out the point, we'll check out this one. And then we'll make our decision. We got time, we're the only ones on the lake. Storm.
Did you text somebody?
It's like a paradise here. As you paddle through Wahwashkesh Lake, be very aware, whether you're heading north or south, that there is significant boat traffic. The lake itself has many little bays and inlets and provide great cover for the wind. Okay, so we made it to our site here on Maple Lake. It's a true Canadian destination. Got already the chore is underway. Pat's cutting wood. Boys are unloading the canoes. Chris is putting his boots back on.
Need steel toes.
And then we're gonna be making this home for the weekend.
We'll grab one over here. Let's go rock some.
Yeah, this boat's got to move.
Chris, you want to rebuild that fireplace a little bit? Yep. That's one we'll be working on.
Too much of a walking path.
We're gonna be putting the tent down in this hollow. They are calling for rain tonight. Hopefully we're good. Check out the view from our tent. You can't beat that. Talking to the camera, buddy. Can you open that up for me?
Trying to keep the bugs down, you know.
Oh, good call. There's our tent for the weekend. Todd's cleaning it out, doing a little bit of the housekeeping.
Sorry.
No worries. Delicious eats.
Off you go.
So, what is your favorite thing about backcountry camping?
I think it would be getting out with the guys, getting away from everything, technology, all that, and relaxing and hanging out and having no distractions.
So, what would be the best trip you've had out with me?
Out with you was, what was it? Probably the first time, I think was. First time going out with you, and what park was that at?
Was that Killarney?
Killarney?
Yeah, it was a good one.
Killarney there, we did that hike.
Yeah, went up to the top of Silver Peak.
Yeah, that was
That
really
was
nice
awesome.
there. And yeah, it was kind of neat getting out and learning this a bit more and going out with you guys. And a lot of fun.
Oh, awesome. So, what's been your favorite backcountry meal?
Meal. Ooh. So far, I would say this afternoon those hamburgers were really good. They hit the spot. Very delicious there. And And yeah, after a long day yesterday, definitely were handy.
So would you say this trip is the first trip that you've gone swimming in May?
Yes. Oh, it was amazing. You couldn't believe how warm the water was. And we were able to jump in and yeah, refresh.
Yeah, we were just up the river here and on a nice sandy beach. And you couldn't really, the temperature was basically like it was August. Like it was amazing.
Yeah.
We probably swam as a group for, I don't know, probably about 40 minutes.
Yeah, we weren't getting cold at all. It was just nice, relaxing.
Unheard of for May. May 14th, no less.
Yeah.
Right on, man.
You best find someone to hang that
Fancy way of hanging the bear bag. Get a guy to climb the tree instead of throwing a rock over a branch. Right, Todd?
What's that one?
Okay, well that's day one. And we have a beautiful thunderstorm coming through right there. Lightning's coming down. I'm not sure if you got to see that one that just came down. But the bugs are getting pretty bad and we're heading in. The weather was great today. And the bugs were a problem, but you gotta expect that in May. Roasting the jalapenos for the coffee. Right, Chris? And nothing like a little spicy coffee. Arlie, what's your thoughts on the jalapeno coffee?
Very tasty in the morning. Nice little heat to it. Back of the throat, you feel it. And just subtle and nice wake you up in the morning. Get you going for a full day of camping.
Nice. That's what we want to hear. Right, Todd?
Sure thing.
And, flying in here.